Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm working on my lap journal some more. Right now I'm working on one of my panel layouts, and what I want to do is I want to make some slotted pockets to go on this panel page. So I've got some strips that are 1 inch wide, and for mine they're 4 inches long. And what I've done is I've marked the center of the strip widthwise, and I've marked 1/2 inch in from the left and the right. And then I'm just going to round my corners. And ink that up real quick. I hope everybody's doing well today. I am. We've got a little bit of cloudy weather today, so I'm not sure if we're supposed to actually get rain or if we're just gonna stay in the kind of cloudy, almost hazy zone today. Okay. So I've got, for mine, I've got 3 of them. And I've got them all punched and marked. And the next thing is I'm actually going to glue them onto my panel page. Okay, I've got my panels glued down. And so now I am going to use my crocodile, and each place that I've marked the 1/2 inch from, I'm going to go in with my, I'm using my 1/8 inch crocodile punch hole, and I'm going to punch a hole. I'm going to do that on both sides of each strip. Okay. Then, very simply, I did not get that top one straight. Very simply, I'm going to line my ruler up with the top part of the 2 holes. And I'm going to use my craft knife or my X-Acto knife. And I'm going to cut a strip. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom of the hole and cut another strip. And then I've got my little slot. And this is such an easy thing to do, but it makes a really cute page for a light book or a journal. And you know, I forget about this. I had done this before some time ago and then just kind of forgot about it again until I started watching Nick the Booksmith and Amy at A.L. John watching their light book series, and it's like, oh yeah, I'd forgotten about doing that. And as soon as I get this one done, I'll show you how you can then put it on your page. Okay. So when you go to put this on your page, or in my case, part of my light book panel, will be going right there. And what you will want to do, I'm going to use my Fabri-Tac just because that'll give me a second to get stuff, move stuff around if need be. So you want to glue the edges on both sides, and you want to glue the edge along the bottom. But you don't want to fill in this area or this area or this area, otherwise you won't be able to slide anything into your slots. Now up top, you can fill that in. And actually coming down the sides, you can fill that in a little more if you want to. But if you've got 3 slots, just be sure not to fill in beneath slot 1, slot 2, and at slot 3. Just go along that very bottom edge. And as I'm burnishing this down, I'm wiping to the outside so that I don't accidentally block anything. Okay, then you've got, if I can find a piece of paper. Oh, that's too wide. Okay, you've got a long slot here that will go all the way to the bottom. So you can put a tall tag in there. And you've got your slot here that's obviously a little shorter. And that one right there. That might be perfect for some little tickets or something. Anyway, now you can back yours if you want. You can put if you don't want it to go all the way through, you can attach like a pocket to the back of yours. You would just could use a sheet of paper cut and almost like an envelope so that it went on the back of your page like that. Anyway, so now I've got one of my panel pages and all it needs is goodies put in it. So anyway, and this page came from Musings by Nikki the Naturalist. So anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and until I talk to you again, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.